Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to go into practice mode on MLB The Show 26. First, from the main menu we need to scroll down here until you find this custom practice option. Just open this up. After that, select the team you want to practice with. So I want to practice with New York. I'll just select it. After that, you can choose the uniform you want to have, and then we should be able to select the stadium. So I want to practice on this stadium. I just need to select it. After that, choose your options such as cloud cover, time of day and time of year. After that, we just need to select OK to enter the practice mode. So there we go, our practice has started and I can hit as many hits as I want. And if you want to adjust practice options, then press up on your D-pad, and from here you can choose the batter, pitcher, and you can also adjust the pitching frequency as you want. Also, you can press the options button to access these practice settings, and from here you can choose the practice type such as batting, pitching, fielding or team practice. So go through all of these options and customize your practice the way you want. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.